All right. Yo, chat. Holy moly. Happy Friday. It is a beautiful Friday. Absolutely beautiful. How you guys doing, man? If you're just coming through, let's go ahead and smash that like button right off rip. If you haven't hit the like button already, just go ahead and hit it right off rip as you come on in, man. That way you just don't got to worry about it anymore. You know what I mean? You just don't got to worry about it anymore. You just get it out the way, right out the gate, bro. Right out the gate. Josh says, chop PA, no thanks. It is a absolutely choppy afternoon. You're correct. Mark, good afternoon. How you doing? Daz, what's up? Josh says, don't fuck it up Fridays. That is 100% accurate. It is a don't fuck it up Friday. That's the motto around here, baby. Don't fuck it up Friday. Holy. Holy. Brandon Sosa, welcome. What up, Sosa? Party. What up, everybody? What's up, party? Party. Y'all partying? What's going on, man? Chat, hope you guys have a good Friday, man. Hope you guys have had a good Friday. It's been an absolute banger of a week. I will say that. It's been a great one. Chat, we are going to do a straight to funded giveaway today. Straight to funded, bro. Straight to 50K account, straight to funded. We're going to do that today, man. We're going to do it today. I don't know how long the stream is going to be. The PA right now is just real shit. It's just choppy. We might just be hopping on for a little bit just to do the giveaway. Because I was going to do it this morning, but my kid was like sick. So I had to hang out with him for the morning and take care of him. But here we are. We moved it to this afternoon. So we're going to hang out for a little bit this afternoon, do a little bit of a giveaway. And we'll watch the markets a little bit, see if the markets give us anything. Right now, man, it's just kind of choppy. Richard, today is my granddaughter's birthday. Holy moly, happy birthday to the granddaughter. Savage, what up? Daz, gold news, highs again. Holy, I saw the rip on gold. My goodness. So all September played out this morning. It did. Chat, September is usually red. September is known for its bloodiness. Y'all know the deal. Mama Bear, good Friday. Holy man, good Friday afternoon. Mama Bear, it's always good seeing you. You're the OG around here. It's always good having Mama Bear in the chat. Like I said, if y'all have not already, be sure to smash that like button, man. Let's get the likes up on the stream a little bit. Let's just start it off early. Let's start the vibes off early, get it going right out the gates. As we get more and more people that come in here, we should be able to hit like 40 to 50 likes, chat. If we can hit 40 to 50 likes as we get more and more people that come in, I think we do the giveaway. What do you guys think? I think the moment, let's do this. The moment we hit 50 likes on the stream, we'll do the giveaway. That's what we'll do. And we should be able to do that because we usually have a lot more people come in as the stream goes on. So we'll do that. David, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? Man, chat, what a sell-off, huh? Holy moly. Let's take a little peek. Let's take a little peek at what we got going on, man, because wowzers, did we have a sell-off today. It's pretty interesting because if you look for just like highs for the market to go up and test, it was kind of a tough one to really say like how high are we going to go before we start to reject, because we had this we had this previous high up here, and that was an interesting spot. But then we also, if we just scroll back, you know, we also had all of this up here, right? And so us taking out this first high, you know, it kind of made you think, you know, is it a possibility that we go up and we take out this high over here, right? And honestly, we just kind of, we ripped this high and we got into kind of the middle of the consolidation area of this. You know, we got into about right here. of that consolidation and just saw a lot of weakness come through. I know we had NFP today. We had NFP, and it came in very bad. Right? Let me take a little look. I believe it was like a big miss, like a huge miss. Let's see. Pull up financial juice here and take a little look. Let's see. Non-farm. Yeah, it was a huge miss. Huge miss. Which is interesting. I think there was a headline that came out about it too. Let me scroll all the way down here and just take a little look. Yeah. Yeah, there was a huge miss on non-farm payroll, which I'm kind of expecting, with that in mind, chat, I'm kind of expecting the Fed to cut rates pretty quick. I'm kind of expecting some more rate cuts, man. Kind of expecting some rate cuts. I also saw that mortgage rates were coming down too. I don't know if you guys saw that, bro. If we get like if we get mortgage rates to come down a little bit lower, chat, I'm gonna be buying some houses. I'm buying. Listen, I'm buying. Y'all know the deal. What up, Kay? How you doing? Yeah, like I said, guys, we should be able to get more likes on the stream as soon as we get all of the rest of the people that come in, because we usually have some people that come in late. We'll probably be able to get to like 50 likes. So if we get to 50 likes, chat, that's when we'll do the giveaway. We'll start right off the rip at 50 likes. And y'all already know what kind of giveaway we're doing. A 50K straight to funded account, and we're gonna line up some duck races for it. You know, we're gonna line up the duck races. Holy. I hope y'all been training the ducks, because listen, it's gonna get competitive out here. How's my son doing? He's doing a little better. He was a little fussy because he'd been getting over like this viral infection that he had, and he like spiked fevers and stuff, and he got a little bit sick from all that. But this morning he was kind of fussy with it. Doing a little better right now. I was able to get him out of the house for a little bit. Now he's down taking a nap. Chat, while we wait, let's go over TradeZilla real quick. You guys can see, I know you can see like partially the partial screen here. I didn't take trades on Monday. Actually, no way here. I can kind of slide this over a little bit. So you guys, oh wait, that's the wrong one. I can slide this over so you guys can take a little peek here. There you go. On TradeZilla, this is the personal account that we've been trading, right? We've been trading our personal account for a little while, and we are starting off September with an absolute heater, right? We were on an absolute heater in our personal account. We're up 2.2K on the week for the personal. Tuesday, we didn't take any trades on Monday. Monday was a holiday. But Tuesday, we were up 949 on Tuesday. Not the best day. I definitely made some mistakes on Tuesday. Learned from them. We're good. Wednesday, 431. Thursday, 485. And today, 351. Today was very much a size down type of day. I almost considered not even trading the personal account today, just given the fact that it was NFP. And I had a feeling that things were going to be a little bit wild. But we saw an opportunity. We did end up taking a long, chat. We took a long, which sounds crazy with the crazy sell-off that we had. But I did take a long on the chart, or on the NQ, and was able to capture $351. And I only took that on, I started with 3 micros and I added 2 micros to it, rode the wave a little bit, trimmed back, and then took it all off for a nice win. I took 2 trades. This particular trade was a $500 winner. The first trade that I took was a $152 loser. The first trade I took was a sandwich trade. In fact, I'll actually break it down for you right here. Let me move my screen back to where it needs to. We'll hop over to the chart. So this is where I end up taking the long chat right here. So I had two longs. The first long that I had was the right play, just the wrong time. So I end up taking the long today here, right? This is my first trade, right? My first trade was there on the long. You can see, and my stop was also, let's see, my stop was also at the low right there. Okay. This candle ended up taking me out, right? We wicked down below that low. But when we came back up within, there was a lot of strength here, a lot of strength. And so I did end up re-entering the long about right in there, and then added to my position as we continued to continue to get strength. And I added 2 micros right in here. So today was, obviously kind of a strange day to take a long, but when I see lows kind of struggling to hold, that's when I tend to make my move if I'm going to trade a reversal. And so this was a long, obviously first one, I got wicked out, but when I saw the strength come back in, we hopped back in the trade, finally got the strength we were originally looking for, added to the long, and rode this thing up for a nice little gain of $500 on 5 micros total. Again, started the position with 3, added 2 up here, and then rode it for a little bit more on 5 micros, and then took the trade off. So overall, it was a great trade. I wish that, it's tough when you get stopped out at first, and and then price kind of gives you confirmation that originally you were right. And so then you have to make the decision to either hop back in or sit it out, right? And so that could be kind of a tough scenario for a lot of traders. I know for me, I struggled with it quite a bit, right? When I would get stopped out originally, but then price would give me the confirmation that my trade was right. And then I have to make that decision and whether I'm going to pull the trigger again or not. And a lot of times when you hesitate on that decision, the trade happens so fast, price moves so fast that you end up missing it. And so I just made the decision to hop back in, no hesitation, and it ended up working out perfectly. So that's that was a beautiful, beautiful trade, beautiful long there. Nice, Captain. Market shot down for over an hour and got your cut. You absolutely love to hear it. Holy Dwayne, what up? How you doing? Mama Bear, appreciate you. Savage, appreciate you. Dan, hey. Tech, hey. Goes to show you, just show up. You never know what day the market will explode. 100%. 100%, man. You never know what day the market is going to bring the absolute heat. Today it brought some heat. Now it's not really bringing heat because it's kind of just chilling out, consolidating markets, digesting the NFP, all the data that came out today. Also, of course, it's Friday, so price tends to slow down tremendously in the afternoons on Fridays. But yeah. Kay is everywhere. She is everywhere. She's a little stream hopper. Kay's a stream hopper. But I always appreciate having Kay, hearing chat. Kay is feline. She changes her name. I don't know. I think she's going through an identity crisis, but her name's Kay, and it's always a good time having Kay in here. Oh, it's posted. I posted on the Profits channel. Holy moly! what are we doing? Okay, hold on. Let me post this in the main channel. Post it in the main. Straight to funded giveaway. What makes you mad is when you win 2K, then keep trading, then lose it all. There goes your freaking weekend. Holy moly. I absolutely know what you're talking about. That is the That is the, man, that's the downfall for most traders. When you have a banger day on a Friday and then you absolutely just take one more trade. Chat, it's always that one more trade. It's always the one more trade that gets you. You're like, man, I made this much money. I think I could turn it into just a little bit more. And you take that one more trade, and that one more trade just absolutely smacks you in the face. And the problem with it is when it does smack you in the face and it does go red on you, you have trouble accepting it, because now you're like, oh shit, I'm losing the 2K. I don't want to close this trade. I want it to come back and hit at least my break even or come back and profit. And then you go on tilt, and then you end up saying, all right, fuck it, I'm going to get out of the trade and close it. And then you look for that next trade because you don't want to take the loss you just took. You want to exit a Friday on what you just had. And so then you go on tilt, take another trade, and then it goes against you. And now you're sizing up to where you just want to get it all back in one trade, and then now account's gone, right? It's absolutely horrible. It gets everybody, man. It gets absolutely everybody. I've been there. I've done it. I know many other traders have been there and done it, man. It is a horrible, horrible feeling. And then you got to deal with it through the weekend, bro. It sucks. I know your pain. I know your pain. Greed kills everybody. It really does. It really does. Enrique, what up? How you doing? Hi, Joe. Today I took the biggest banger of my journey. Holy moly, 250 points. Took that short 23,804 and rode the wave for 250 points. Holy moly, took my money and ran. GG's, 250 points. That is not an easy thing to do. That is not an easy one. That is not an easy one. Holy moly. Ismail, what up? How you doing? First time in 8 years. Holy, you love to see it. Chat, if we get to 50 likes, we're gonna do the giveaway right then and there. Listen, we don't have to hang around all afternoon, chat. I'm waiting on you, right? I'm really only live just to give you guys a free account, just to do a giveaway. That's the only reason why I'm here, right? I've traded. I'm done. Look, chat, I've made my money. I'm out. I don't got to trade anymore. So the moment you guys get us to 50 likes, we'll do the giveaway and we'll go have a great weekend. You know what I mean? And that's it. That's all there is to it. How do you get a trophy? Yeah, you got to become a member of the channel. You got to become a member. Speaking of, chat, I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of a reminder here. So I need you guys to lock in. All right. You guys to lock in for a minute. Next week, there's gonna be member giveaways. Oh, fucking shit, Joe. Okay, hold on. Language, English. Member videos, not member giveaways. Member videos, exclusive to everybody who is a member of the channel. I realized that I've been getting more and more members of the channel, and I want to do something for you guys because I don't want you guys just to be members for no reason. And so I'm going to give you guys exclusive content for being a member of the channel. That's that, right? To get exclusive content, you got to become a member. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of content there. Kay, I'm about to ban you. I don't even care if you're a member, Kay. I'm about to ban you. Holy shit. Logan, shut your mouth. What happens if you win the account? You already have 5 accounts. I thought you could only have 5 Tradeify accounts. You can only have 5 Tradeify accounts, but what's going to happen is I'm going to give you a code, Mark. I'm going to give you a code. And then if you, like I said, if you win, you already have 5 accounts, just keep the code in your back pocket, right? Just keep it in your back pocket. And then when you're ready to use it, if you blow the accounts that you have, then you have that code to use. That's it, man. That's it. Mama Bear just became a member. Holy moly. Mama Bear, welcome. Always appreciate you. Daz, holy moly. Appreciate you. You're a breath of fresh air with your channel. A lot of the stuff you say hits home. Keep it up, mate. Yo, Daz, appreciate you. Thanks for tuning in, man. I'm glad glad you resonate with a lot of the things that we talk about here. LMB, how's it going? We are, hey, listen, we vibing over here. We vibing. We are absolutely vibing. Trump speaking later. Will there be another news spike? It depends on what he's talking about. I don't know what he's speaking on. Joey's actually 39. I am not 39, bro. Shut up. Shut your face. Where is Dada Bear? I think, dude, actually, we had a long time ago, a while back, we actually had like a Papa Bear or something in the community. I think he's long gone now, but we had a Papa Bear at one point. How do you become a member? If you look on the like where it says join or the like button or whatever, wherever it is on the channel, it should say join or something of that sort. There was a baby bear. I remember. Yeah, there was a baby bear too. Yeah, we had the whole bear family. We had the whole bear family. My goodness. You are going to be big. Never stop engaging with your chat. Yo, my chat's live. Yeah, we have like one of the best chats. And I know like chat, this like my channel is kind of still new to streaming, but even with like how new we are, I feel like we've continued to grow. So I imagine like, you know, 6 months from now, a year from now, as we continue to stream throughout the year, like this is going to be, this is going to be an incredible community. We also had a professional trader, TTG Bobby. Holy moly, the Bobster. Holy. Golly, the TTG Bobby legend will forever live on. TTG will forever live on. Holy moly. Golly, chat, we are 13 likes away from 50. Once we get to that 50, it's giveaway time, baby. TTG made 1 million today. Stop the fun, Joey. You know, chat, you know, hold on. You know that TTG Bobby shorted. You know he shorted right here. And he exited right here. Like y'all, y'all know TTG Bobby, he's already posting the screenshots, baby. He's already posting the screenshots. Screenshots have been posted. Hey, Joey, what advice do you have for how to approach an account that is close to max drawdown? The best thing you could do is just size way down, trade a couple micros. If you really want to save the account, if you just don't want to blow it and you really want to put everything, like your entire soul, into just saving the account, trade 2 micros, make 50 bucks, close it, wait for another setup, make another 50. Now you're up 100. Trade 3 micros, make another 50, whatever. Just trade micros and just scalp your way out of it. That's the best thing you can do. A lot of people try to throw on like massive size and then hope it just goes immediately in their favor and they end up blowing it. But if you truly want to save it, it's like this account is just your heart and soul, and you want to save this account, trade a couple micros, make 50 bucks here and there, and do that consistently for like the next 5 business days. Jesus told him to short the top. He did. Yeah, he did. He made 10 million a day. Listen, I wouldn't doubt it. I wouldn't doubt it, man. Party, you're welcome. Chat, y'all are 11 away, bro. 11 away. That's exactly what I'm doing with the account that was 500 from being blown. It takes time, but better than blowing the account. It is. I mean, if you truly want to save it, I mean, that is the absolute best thing you can do. It takes a lot of time. It's going to be it's going to be a lengthy process. But if you want to save yourself from some money from having to re-up it, Again, just a couple micros, take a few scalps here and there and slowly work it. Just slowly work it. It might take a week, 2 weeks, a month, whatever. But just slowly work it, man. You got to finesse it. You just got to finesse it. Chat, question. Here's the thing. Do I go to the lake today? Are we green today? Absolutely, we're green today. There you go. We had a flawless week. Absolute green week. Chat, do I go to the lake today? That's the question. I need help. Once we do the giveaway, do we pull out the boat and go fishing? That's the question. I see a lot of yeses to go to the lake. Tons of yeses. Thinking so, huh? Thinking so. Fishing for bass. What for? You won't catch anything, Kay? Listen, if you win this giveaway, I'm going to strip it from you. Golly. All right, hold on. Oh, wait a second, chat. Hold on. I gotta pull up the giveaway thing. Give me a second. Give me a second. All right, log in. Hold on, chat. I gotta get the giveaway stuff ready because y'all getting close on the likes. Error? What do you mean error, bro? Holy. There we go. Let's see. Is it widgets? Raffles. There we go. All right. We'll do the giveaway here in just a little bit, chat. Y'all are 41 likes, so y'all need 9 more. 8 more. Daz Fox becoming a member of the channel. Holy moly, Daz, welcome to the fam. Mr. Daz Fox becoming a member of the YouTube channel. Gonna be getting that exclusive content next week. Holy. Joey, do you know what the Tradify announcement on Monday is going to be? Possibly. Yeah, he'll make us call him daddy again. I might. I might. Nah, I won't do that to y'all again. I won't do it again, I promise. Maybe. Maybe. Getting rid of J-Ton and bringing back PW. That shit is wild. I cannot even believe that's a thing on Twitter right now. I can't believe that's a thing on Twitter. Even another prop firm, Lucid, was like, hey, we'll fire J-Dun and bring you on PW. Look forward to working together. Another prop firm even tweets it out. Like, what? Bro. Golly. Yo, Twitter is not for the faint of heart, bro. It's savage out here. It's hard in these streets. There's a lot of thugs. Jeez, bro. Holy. What's price doing, chat? Are we getting anything? No, we're just consolidating. Moving sideways. Nothing happening. Chat, you only need 5 more likes. I'm waiting on you guys, bro. We can end stream the moment we do the giveaway. Like, we don't got to hang out here, chat. You know what I mean? We don't got to hang out. We can do the giveaway and just continue on with our day. You know what I mean? I'm here for you guys. I'm here to legit do the giveaway because I didn't do it this morning. Keyword today is 8 ancient. Like you. Logan, shut your bitch ass up. Once people go to the BDH, they never come back the same. Settle the debate. NQ or ES? NQ 100%. There is no fucking question. Chat, NQ gives you the dopamine rush, right? Isn't that why everybody trades NQ? Is because they're a bunch of dopamine addicts and they just need dopamine flowing through their veins? Aren't y'all psychotic? Like, that's why y'all trade NQ? Like, it's NQ or nothing, right? Am I right on this, chat? Am I the only one here? Am I the only one on this? Yes, it's just a side chick. It's an expensive side chick. NQ is Bay. NQ is 100% Bay. NQ is baby girl. Y'all need 3 more likes. I mean, y'all slacking, bro. We got 62 people in here. Y'all slacking. Y'all need 3 more likes to do this giveaway. 3 of them. And y'all know the deal. We do the duck races. The moment you guys are done messing around. Oh my gosh, my screen is all messed up, chat. Hang on. I gotta fix this. I gotta fix this. There we go. Oh, we got 52 likes. Holy moly, look at that. All right, chat. If y'all want to do the giveaway, let's run it up. Let's do, we got to think about a keyword here. Hold on. For the keyword, let's do... Yes, Ismail, maybe. Hold on, I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. You know what? Since we're all junkies of the Nasdaq, actually no. I want something like creative. We need to do something creative, chat. A lot of you guys are putting in keywords. I'm looking to see who has the best one. Hold on. What's the keyword for today, bro? I like it. Ismail's got it. I like it. Let's do, hold on. We're going to do this, chat. Bald. Bald's the key word. Bald. Because y'all know I'm the best looking bald guy in the absolute trading industry, chat. You've never seen one like it. You've never seen another bald guy like me. All right. I am the best looking bald guy on the internet, bro. Hands down. Hands down. That's what we're going to do. Bald gang, stand up, baby. Bald gang. Holy moly. Where's G-Man? Oh, man. I don't know. G-Man's missing out right now. Holy. Mr. Clean got me beat. Oh, no. Oh, no. Not Mr. Clean. Chat, it's gonna be my Halloween costume. That's gonna be the Halloween costume, bro. Holy. We actually almost got to 60 likes. How about that, chat? Who hasn't liked? Let's get to 60. We're gonna do the giveaway, but let's see if we can get to 60 likes. We're at 57. Might as well get 3 more, right? Comment boner bar. comment bald, and that'll give you the key. That's the keyword for the giveaway. So you have to comment bald. I'm gonna give you guys a couple more minutes here. Couple more minutes. We got 52 participants. Holy, it's gonna be a competitive one. It's gonna be a competitive one, chat. We are 2 likes away from 60. Okay. All right, I'm gonna give you guys 1 more minute. Comment bald to enter the giveaway. 50K straight to funded account, chat. 50K straight to fundo. And we need 1 more like for 60. 2 more, now 2 more likes. Someone unliked thinking they haven't liked already. Now we need 2 likes for 60. There we go. 60 likes. There it is. Perfect. 50K straight to funded. Tradify giveaway. 30 seconds, chat. And I'm closing it down. 30 seconds. We have 57 participants. $15 seconds, chat. 15 seconds. Comment bald to enter the giveaway. 50K straight to fundo. Bald as fuck. They listen. You know the deal. Best looking bald guy on the internet, baby. Holy. It's claimed. There is no other. There is no other. All right, chat. Boom. Close down. All right. We got 61 participants. Holy moly. What's our biggest? I think our biggest was like 70. So we got close. We got close. All right. $61, chat. How long should we do this? 2 minutes? I think so. We'll do it for 2 minutes. I hope you guys trained up, bro. I hope you guys trained up. I hope your ducks put in the work, put in the cardio. It's been a long time coming. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. This is the moment your duck has been training for. This is it. This is it right here. Everything that your duck has worked for is for this moment, chat. For this moment right here. Let's do it. Good luck. For a 50K straight to funded account, who's going to take it over, baby? Holy moly. Holy. Dan, 1, 2, 3, 4, coming out of the gates with a purple suit, taking the lead. Josh, MKD turned it up. Uh-oh, MKD's falling off here. Chat, this is a close one. We got a lot of people in the fronts. K is trying to take the lead. Holy. Mr. Bond, James Bond, coming in, taking the lead. Holy, who is going to take it home, chat? 50K straight to funded account. David looking real like a doctor or something out of a hospital with the mask. I don't even know what he is. Chat, this is a close one. This is a close one. Trader King LFT is turning it up. Holy moly. Will Trader King take the lead? I don't know. Marbra is coming in hot. K is just holding on to that lead with... Oh, K, you're falling off. K, what happened? K, what happened? Where are you going? Holy. HFRT. Uh-oh, Party. Party's partying hard. Party's trying to take the lead. Look at Party coming in. Holy. Christopher. The Great Dane. Holy, who is going to bring it home? Horse Builds taking the lead. Oh, chat, that is a close one. This is one of our closest ones. I don't know who's going to take it. It's anybody's match. It is anybody's match. Whoever trained the hardest is going to pull through. Horse Builds, holy. Horse Builds is trying to bring it home. Can he hold on for the final 10 seconds? The final 10 seconds. Enrique's trying to pull it. Horse Builds is falling off. The Crucial. Liquid Snake. Who's going to pull it? Liquid. Congrats. 50K straight to Fundo. Party said this is so much more fun than losing money on a Friday. Chat, hopefully this makes your day that much better. If you lost money today, hopefully this brings good vibes for the rest of the weekend. Liquid Snake, are you in the chat? I need confirmation of Liquid Snake in the chat right now. If you are not here, we're going to run it back. We will run it back. Liquid Snake, you have a little bit to claim. We're gonna give Liquid just a few minutes here to claim his prize. Liquid Snake, there he is, claiming his 50K straight to fund. And Liquid, hop in Discord if you're not already in there, and then send me a DM. Link in the description to join Discord. If y'all, anybody else want to join Discord, link in the description. But Liquid, join up on Discord if you're not already. Shoot me a DM, and I will send you a code for a free 50K straight to funded account. Holy. Congrats, Liquid. Congrats. Chat, as a reminder, before we all bounce out of here, just as a reminder, next week we're doing a 24-hour stream. Next week we're doing a 24-hour stream, chat. Wednesday, 9 a.m. No. Wednesday, right? When am I doing it? Yeah, Wednesday at 10 a.m. chat. That's it. Wednesday at 10 a.m. We're doing a 24-hour stream. We're going until Thursday, 10 a.m. All right. That's Central Time. So we're doing a 24-hour stream then. And then also next week, there's going to be more streams on the channel. We're going to be doing the morning and afternoon streams here on the channel. So be looking out for that. Also, members only content for the people who became members. So we've been getting a lot of members lately. For the people that become members of the channel, you're getting members only content starting next week. So you will be getting exclusive content, and the type of content that you're going to get, chat, for members is all based around my personal account. Everything that I'm learning from my personal account, from the mentality, the psychology, the technicals, the just managing your own cash. You guys are going to get exclusive info and details into how I'm managing that account. So you're going to learn a lot from that. So for the members that are going to be getting that content, that's what you can expect. So we'll be rolling that out next week. And then what else? There's one other thing next week. I can't remember what it is. I don't remember what it is. Maybe I'll think of it later. But anyways, chat, remember, Tradeify is 30% off. Tradeify is announcing something on Monday. I'll be having it on my stream if you guys want to tune in. They are announcing something on Monday. It's going to be epic. So be sure to tune into that. Code JM to get the best deal possible at Tradeify, chat. Y'all know the deal. Code JM. Link down in this description for Tradeify. Get 30% off there. So chat, love you guys. I hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend. We're going to call it an early day. There is no need for us to hang around and sit here and do nothing and stare at the charts when nobody's doing anything on the charts. So love you guys. Have a good one. Peace. I'm gonna go take some rub some Rogaine on the forehead and call it a weekend. Peace, fam.